Hey guys, this is Johnny from Rebuff Reality. Today we're going to show you how to make VR power compatible with the Oculus Quest 2 soft strap or elite strap using our new VR power clips. Let's get started.
We'll begin with the instructions for the Oculus 2 soft strap. In your compatibility bundle, you'll find a handy-dandy user manual, 2 strips of premium Velcro, and the new clip. Line the VR power up with the bottom of the Oculus 2 soft strap. Fold it up slightly on the bottom and secure the VR power straps. Next, slide the new clip onto the top of the VR power top strap, open the side Velcro, and secure firmly to the Oculus 2 top strap. Moving on to the Oculus 2 Elite strap compatibility. Place the 2 pieces of Velcro to the bottom of the VR power straps. Then secure the new clip to the top of the VR power strap. Align the bottom of the VR power with the top of the Elite strap. Then secure the clip Velcro to the Elite strap top fabric. Slide the VR power back down until the Velcro pieces stick up. Reach under and close both pieces of Velcro. Tighten up as necessary and you're all set to play with the VR power.
I hope that made things a little more clear for you guys. If you have any questions at all, reach out to us at support@rebuffreality.com. See you in VR.